In order to unplug your life from the day-to-day of the modern world while retaining modern-day essentials, you need three things: water, electricity, and most importantly, Wi-Fi. In any modern-day camper, water is supplied via a freshwater tank such as this one. Generally, they have a capacity of 60 gallons or more, giving the user enough water to last them a week. From there, the tank can be refilled from a local spring, tap, or well, on an as-needed basis via a water transportation tank or by physically taking the camper and bringing it to the water source. Now, as for electricity, that's where living off-grid becomes more difficult. Unlike water, electricity can't easily be stored in mass quantities.
Through the use of batteries, we can store electricity. Who doesn't know that?
You told me to dumb it down.
Not that dumb.
Through the use of batteries, we can store electricity. The problem? One of the two air conditioners on this camper has the ability to drain an entire car battery in less than 1 hour. But we can overcome this problem in two ways. The first, add more batteries. That sounds entirely possible until you do the math. To solely operate this camper on batteries for a week, you would need over 200 car-sized batteries. That's over 1,000 pounds of raw car battery gravity. Not exactly something you want on a trailer. Manufacturers engineer to be lightweight at every square inch. Luckily, there's a better solution. Solar panels! With the rise of fuel, I forget the rest of it. With the noise of a generator, rising fuel costs, and environmental impact, solar panels allow us to harness the energy directly from the sun and use it to microwave your pizza rolls quietly and efficiently. Let me show you how we did it. The kit we installed on this camper is a 570 watt system consisting of 390 watt panels.
By Go Power.
By Go Power. A watt is a measurement of output power by a specific... Wait, what?
A watt is a measurement.
A watt is a measurement of power output by that specific panel. More watts equal more power. No. Panels vary in a magnitude of watts and sizes. Each panel is specific on your needs. Now what if it's cloudy, night, or an eclipse? That is where batteries come in. Yes, we still need batteries. But rather than 400, we can get away with something like 4. Essentially, all of your electronic devices pull power from these batteries as needed, and then the solar panels work as the sun shines to replenish them.
Oh, sorry. I think we just have to let that soak in.
There are a few variations to your batteries, including how many, what size, and what type. Generally speaking, there are two types of batteries: lithium-ion and lead-acid. Lead-acid is the more cost-effective, traditional style battery that is often found in your car or truck. If you decide to go this route, just ensure that they are deep cycle rated batteries. This extends the lifespan during the constant charge and drain cycles they will experience with solar panels. Alternatively, you can opt for the more expensive lithium-ion batteries. This is the preferred battery for solar panels, not only due to the longer lifespan, but also they can charge at a much faster rate, eliminating all bottlenecks when you're trying to get as much power as you can from the sun into your batteries. Your battery's size and quantity is known to be very dependent on your needs. For example, if you plan on experiencing extended nights or shady areas, you are going to want more batteries at a higher capacity. If you think you're going to be out in the sun or often on the road, you'll be fine with less batteries, drawing most of the power directly from your solar panels. Your installer or supplier can help you determine the appropriate setup for your situation.
We need a way to keep your panels from pumping so much energy into your batteries that they become literal bombs.
Oh. We need a way for your solar panels to keep...
We need a way to keep your solar panels from pumping so much energy.
We need a way to keep your solar panels from pumping so much energy into your batteries that they become literal bombs. That's where this comes in. This small box takes the power coming from your solar panels and regulates it to exactly what your battery needs. Additionally, it provides multi-stage charging that extends the life of your battery substantially. From the controller itself, we are able to select the type of batteries we decided to install and see potential critical information such as amps, voltage, and battery capacity. So now we're good, right? Time to kick back and make some pizza rolls. Well, not exactly. There's one last step. We need to convert the DC current that both solar panels create and your batteries hold into AC current that your appliances run off of. As a basic rundown on DC and AC current, DC is low voltage current, commonly found in automobiles that is great for storing power. AC current is commonly used in homes and is great as being transferred long distances, including that from the power plant to your house. We switch AC to DC and DC to AC all the time. For example, your phone charger takes 120 volt AC power and converts it to 5 volt DC power to charge your phone battery. Now imagine converting your entire house from your AC power into DC power. This 58-pound box in here does the exact opposite of that.
Repeat after me. Just the part I say.
It takes the DC 12 volt power from your batteries and turns it into pure sine wave simulated 120 volt AC for the entire camper. It is wired directly into the main breaker box, just as if you plugged directly into a campsite. Here, you can see the main breaker box. It is where all the power coming into the camper is taken and distributed internally to the microwave, air conditioner, water heater, and more. Up here, we've added another unique controller that was included in the kit. The purpose of this controller is specifically for that massive 3000 watt inverter we were looking at earlier. We use this controller to monitor voltages, load, and temperatures on the inverter and your batteries. Less obviously, we can also hit this button here to turn on the charger, essentially allowing the inverter to go into reverse gear. When on and you plug into shore power at a campsite or your house, the inverter uses the power to charge up and maintain the batteries at maximum capacity, ensuring you are good to go next time you decide to disappear for a couple days. Overall, this kit is perfect for anyone looking to hit the great outdoors without having to worry about where the next outlet is. If this is something you may be interested in, feel free to give us a call at 844-28-UPFIT or check out eTrailer.com for more detailed information including specifications, videos, and photos.